Good morning dear student, this is solid state and in this video we are going to discuss about easy way to calculate number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell, SC type unit cell, also called primitive. Easy way how to calculate the total number of atoms present in simple cubic unit cell. Simple cubic SC type unit cell are also called primitive unit cell. You know how to draw simply the unit cell. A cubic unit cell can be drawn, but in this drawing in simple cubic we know the atoms are present only at the corners. The atoms are present only at the corner. When we draw the atoms only at the corner, simply, now we see each corner atom is not contact with the neighboring atom, but in actual practices, in the correct structure, each corner atom touches with each other in a three-dimensional manner. This is an example of simple cubic. An example of simple cubic. So this is an example of simple cubic. You know how many atoms are present? 8 atoms. All the atoms are present at the corners. At the corners, you can see. So each atom is in contact with the neighboring atom. Each atom touches the neighboring atom. So totally 8 atoms. You can see the a large amount of space in simple cubic. We will discuss in separate video about the packing efficiency, and in simple cubic there are 8 atoms. Each atom touches with each other. How to draw this three-dimensional structure in a paper? Now we see again I draw the crystal structure in 3 dimension and indicate how each atom touches with the neighboring atom. So here one line, another line, third line, join all the corners. Here you have put one point, one line, another line, third line, fourth line, fifth line, sixth line. Then exactly at this point, these corner joined. These corner joined. That is indicated by a dotted line. And simply, now I draw only the corners atom and indicate how the corners atom touches each other. Not in this, or we can draw the sphere here. Here you have one corner atom and this corner atom touches with each other. See here, here the corners atom touches with each other. And one more corner atom is here. You have to join all the edges. In another example, using this simple unit cell, now I tell how to draw the corner atom touching with each other. Corner atom touching with each other. How to draw? Select the edges first. Select the edges. Here you have one edge, the space in between the corner is called the edges. Draw the thick line. The other sphere is present outside of the complexes. Here you have one edge. Join these two, you will get a sphere. Like that, join all these edges and you will get another sphere. Like that you can draw all the edges. Join all these outside of the unit cell there is one. So this is how the atoms in the corner always touches with the neighboring atom. Atoms in the corner touches with the neighboring atom. Now I draw only how many sphere? Only 4 corners, and other corners you imagine this third one and last one. This is only 4 corners. Totally how many corners in the unit cell? There are 8 corners. Now we are going to see how a corner atom is shared by the nearby unit cell. Say for an example, this is one example of a unit cell. Consider this is the corner atom. Another example of an unit cell. Now this corner atom is shared by how many unit cell? 2 unit cell. Now third unit cell now share the corner atom. See, this corner atom is shared by 3 unit cell. The same corner atom is shared by 4th unit cell. You can see like this. Now this corner atom touches 4 unit cell. Then when you place another 4 unit cell above this, you will get here this corner atom is shared by another unit cell, and one more corner atom is shared by totally 4 below, then 4 above the unit cell. So totally remember, one corner atom is shared by how many unit cell? 8 unit cell. Which corner atom? This corner atom. This corner atom is shared by how many unit cell? Here 4, then above 4, totally 8 corner atom. So remember, one more example I give with this unit cell. It is an example of simple cubic. When you see this is an example of simple cubic, and this corner atom is shared by how many unit cell? 8 unit cell. You can place unit cell here, here or here, then above. Here this corner atom is shared by 2 unit cell, then 3rd unit cell, then 4th unit cell, above this. Totally one corner atom is shared by how many unit cell? 8 unit cell. You remember always, this is very most important point. Number write, one corner atom is shared by how many unit cell? 8 unit cell. In the simple cubic unit cell, each corner is occupied by identical atoms or ions or molecule, and they touch along the edges of the cube. They do not touch diagonally. The coordination number of each atom is 6. How to calculate total number of atoms in simple cubic? Now write the formula. Number of atoms in a simple cubic unit cell is equal to, what is our numerator? Total number of atoms by number of unit cells shared the corner atoms. Denominator is only total number of atoms present, and the numerator is total number of atoms present. Denominator is number of unit cells shared that atom. We can write the formula as number of corner atom divided by number of unit cell shared that atom. Number of corner atom equal to 8. One corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell. So totally only one atom present in simple cubic. So very simply remember that in simple cubic, though there are 8 atoms in the corner, but one corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell, therefore only one atom present in simple cubic. In the incoming video, we are going to calculate easy way to calculate number of atoms in body centered cubic. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.